And good morning, traders and investors. What a week is in front of us. First things first, check this one out. Gas price, 70% jump once more. Futures pointed to 6.1, actually $6.2. Now, we haven't had these kind of gas prices for, let me just take a look at the diagram here, for some time. Check out these green candles. So the last high we had in December 2025. And now we are, and the last high was at 5.4, and we are sitting now at 6.2, almost pulling back just a bit from $6.26 million BTUs. Now, let me just check. When did we had last time this kind of prices? Okay, so it's not the all-time high. We still had in August 2022 a 9.7. Then we had way back in September 2028. We had here 13. But gas prices are currently exploding now. Gold reached a new all-time high. We are over $5,000 a ounce. This is crazy. This is just crazy. All Fibonacci levels are now exceeded, and I don't know where this is going, but I'm not getting into this trade. No ways, Jose. Just take out silver. Silver also exploding here at over $109 a ounce of silver. Why? I can understand gold because of future markets, because of everything that's happening in the world. But why silver? And don't get me started with this. Yes, it's used in solar panels. We're not going to bombard the world with solar panels. And yes, it's an industrial metal. Gold is also an industrial metal, but these prices, come on now. I can understand copper. Copper is again a little bit up. Had a pullback here. Maybe it's time to close my copper trade right here. And let's also move to oil. Oil is interesting. Oil is going here on a bull trend. I'm bullish oil for the next 3 years, I would say. Let's just say, even if there's a Ukraine-Russia peace, you're going to see oil prices rise just due to the fact of how less of an investment that there was in the last years. So bullish on oil, still bullish on gas, no longer bullish on gold and silver. Even if this goes further, I'm out of this trade, and bullish on copper for the next couple of years. Now, Bitcoin if I had started this stream a couple of hours earlier, I would say that Bitcoin is currently showing us that the markets are in trouble. But because it had a sell-off here on Sunday of roughly, it went from 89 to 86,000, that is. So a major pullback here in Bitcoin, but today buyers jumped in and Bitcoin was bought up. It's still, the red candle still is greater than the green candle, so we have had some selling here on Bitcoin, and I'm still expecting selling to happen in this green zone, but I'm still sticking to my thesis. Everything that comes in here is a buy, and that's exactly what happened on Sunday. People bought it, and I'm playing it different right now. I'm playing Bitcoin a little bit different, but already bought some Bitcoin, bought some Ethereum, bought some Sol, but I'm betting on something different for now. That's for another video. As soon as I think that my thesis is correct, I'm going to reveal it to you people. So major stuff is happening. Japanese yen, where do you have it? Japanese yen is in trouble here. Check this one out. So on the weekend, it's had a pullback. Let's just measure this pullback. It was from its highs to its lows of 3.68%. Now, on a currency, that's a crash. That's a crash from 159 yen a dollar to 153 yen a dollar. This is a major crash, not yet oversold. And when this is going to get oversold, boom, time to buy some trades here on the US dollar, Japanese yen. The Bank of Japan is trying to step in. The US government is trying to step in here. So I think this is going to be over in just a couple of days. Maybe I see this actually as a trading opportunity. So dollar weakening due to the dollar yen carry trade. Now we have a couple of good earnings this week. Today, one of the major earners what I would consider is Ryanair. So starting from today, we are going to get into the real earnings season. We have 2 weeks where we're going to have all of the major company reporting earnings. But tomorrow is one of the big days. We have UNH, we have UPS, Boeing, Texas Instruments, NextEra Energy, RTX, General Motors, UNP. My gosh, we have almost over HCA Healthcare. And let's see, that will be on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday we have Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, ASML, Starbucks, Now, IBM, G Vernova. We have the Waste Management, great company, AT&T, FICO. What else? Progressive, it's an insurance company. Really interesting what they're going to tell. And Avalanche Health also. Now moving to Thursday, we have Apple, Visa, MasterCard, Caterpillar, Lockheed Martin, Ultra Group, SAP. SAP is on the NASDAQ. That's interesting. Western Digital, which is just ripping. Honeywell, Blackstone, and what else do we have? The NASDAQ itself. Ooh, this is interesting. This is one of my favorite companies. Royal Caribbean Cruise. Really good company. Oh, and then we have Stryker, if you want some Botox. Now let's move on to Friday. We have SoFi, Chevron, American Express, ExxonMobil, Verizon, Colgate. That's interesting. Okay, gonna take a look at Colgate. Then what else do we have? Brookfield, but this is not BN, the major Brookfield company, and again Brookfield. So one of them is the holdings company, and one of these energy company. They have multiple companies, but they're all under the big Brookfield umbrella. So if you want to buy Brookfield, I would say buy the ticker symbol BN. Okay, so I'm going to come back to you after the stocks report earnings. I'm going to come back to you with my take. I'm Noble BM, and this is where we build and protect wealth. Stay calm. Today, the markets are kind of in turmoil. That's it for me. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.